monthly by using YouTube layer for education. Follow me to know how to do this. From here, this is the note to earn from YouTube player for education. Review and accept terms. If you have a YouTube channel, you can increase your monthly earning. So here you have to turn on, press on this button, turn on, and then accept these terms, accept the player for education terms. Okay. Accept. Now you are earning from YouTube layer for your earning. A share of revenue earned from views of your content in player for education. Visit the YouTube analytics to view your estimated player for education. See my analytics. Channel analytics. This is estimated revenue. Content performance, what you're earning. This all shorts, just 10 cents. I have 0. If you have any question, ask and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Moreover, you can check which videos are using YouTube layers. Press analytics, and after that advanced mode here. And here filter, press on filter, and from here player type, select player type, and here YouTube player for education. Apply. So it will show you your previous videos which are suitable for this YouTube for player. Okay, this one, SWOT analysis. If you have any question, ask and I reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. Listen here.